The 2016-2022 Volvo XC90 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. When your remote functions become unreliable or the car displays a key battery low warning, it's time for a replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. These are widely available. The process is simple. Do not worry. Ensure you have these items before beginning. Working on a soft surface can prevent scratches to the fob's casing. There is no programming required. First, locate the seam on the back of the key fob, where the Volvo logo is. Gently pry open the two plastic halves using your tool at the key ring notch. Remove the old battery, noting that the positive side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the two halves back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to verify functionality. If the fob doesn't reassemble properly, check for cracked plastic and avoid excessive force during prying. Remember, this takes patience. Dispose of the old battery responsibly.